Ness-ana TV.
Hello friends, welcome back to the class. Alright, today we'll be learning parts of a tree. Parts of a tree. Can you repeat? Good job. The first one is leaf. Leaf. Branch. Branch. Can you say that? Branch. Good job. Fruits. Fruits. This looks yummy. Roots. Roots. Trunk. Trunk. Can you see that? That is a tree trunk. Flower. Flower. Can you say that? Flower. Very good. Alright, you've done a great job. Let's take it again. Remember, we are learning parts of a tree. This is the word leaf, branch, fruits, roots that helps the tree to stand firm in the ground. Trunk. Trunk. And this is the word the flower. Flower. These are the parts of a tree. Very good, boys and girls. You've done a great job. Alright, that will be the end of today's class. See you next time.